this beautiful
Look at the rain that we're gonna hopefully avoid. See you on the flip side. We made it to Tenerife. The weather is
great.
Beautiful.
Cheers with myself because Haley can't have any of this. We are now at Monkey Beach Club. We have 2 mojitos.
Cheers. Morning from Tenerife. It's sunny.
I haven't felt the sun in 2 months. It's just soaking it all in. It's like, yes, you know, this is where you're supposed to be.
Satisfied, long as you are my bride. Just give me true love and understanding. True love and understanding.
Rachel's having the time of her life, basking in the sun, and I am just awing at everything I see. Incredible.
Love's no problem in my hands. Just know I really, really love you. And in your heart I'd be a big man.
They say to be prepared for any weather in the mountains. Now it's raining.
Just give me true love and understanding. True love and understanding. For the rest of my life.
10 kilometers later, crazy bus ride. Alive and well, and heading to the next village soon after a quick lunch. See you there.
Just know I really, really love you. And in your heart I'd be a big man. Hey lover, won't you treat me?
We are at Oxford Street, as Rachel says.
Yeah, there's my Drago tree, and next to it, there's we're on Oxford Street now.
Look at the light.
Yeah.
We landed at a banana plantation museum. Let's see how it goes.
Oh my god.
Thumbs up. Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na. Ba-na-na.
Hey, lover. You don't have to be.
We are cooking.
I just want to point you to a very, very exciting tidbit. We realized as we were cooking pasta, we found that some lovely British man or woman brought some Waitrose gluten.
We found some Waitrose gluten-free pasta at the Airbnb, and we are now cooking fresh shrimp. Delicious.
For 10 p.m. dinner.
Delicious rice flour based pasta. Good morning. And we're off to go on a little boat tour to go see some dolphins, maybe some whales potentially. Wish us luck.
Hey, lover. You don't have to have a thing. For I'll be satisfied long as you are my bride. Just give me true love and understanding. True love and
Last night out.
Viewers of Haley TV, we are on day 3. Day 3 of our holiday.
Cut.
Spanish menu. And I really thought that Haley knew exactly what she was reading.
We did not feel like getting dinner, so we got dessert. Delicious panna cotta. I'm already halfway in.
Lemon tart. The wine is gone.
The wine's
So we're
gone.
feeling good.
right